Day off na naman? Yeah, I know. Everyone is looking for an affordable stay, pero worth it. This is Pinky, your Palawan girly. Tara, samahan nyo kami.
We're here at the Escape Boutique, or familiar name, Farm Bihira. Farm Bihira is located in Bakungan, Nagtabon, Puerto Princesa City.
As you can see, entrance pa lang, pwede ka na kaagad mag-unwind.
Itong bridge na to is papunta sa main reception area and restaurant.
If you're ready, let's talk about the room. This is the room, it's minimalist, and it's facing the mountain view.
Well, may iba namang option, you can also choose the garden view.
Konting exposure lang sa sarili ko. Sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga yung hangin dito. Sobrang lakas. And as you can see, the view is giving. And syempre, hindi mawala ang food. So let's talk about it. I'm sure you guys are gonna enjoy your meal because their restaurant is also facing the mountain
They
view.
offer pasta, bread, and silogs, and a lot of drinks. And mind you guys, they also offer cocktails for us people who loves to drink. This is what we ordered, a thin crust pizza and bread and shake. Gusto nyo maglakad-lakad after kumain, this is worth lakad-lakad ever. You can head to their farm, this is the map. The vid is cut but we're walking sa mango tree area. And from there, it will lead you to another bridge papunta dun sa main farm nila. Ito na nga, we're walking papunta sa farm. Sobrang excited namin. Syempre, hindi namin may iwasang magbiruan. Quick trivia about the place. Most of the ingredients na nakahalo sa food nila from their restaurant came from their farm. Pagod ka na maglakad-lakad, pwede ka na bumalik sa room nyo, magpahinga, mag-unwind, and mag-relapse sa balcony mismo. If tapos ka nang mag-relapse and naboboring ka, no problem. We have a 10 minutes to 15 minutes ride papuntang Lagtabon Beach. This is the nearest beach to Farm Bihira, pero may iba namang options. You can also go to Pakpaklawin Resort and Talaudrong.
Gabi na kami nakabalik sa hotel.
And
I think mas naging comfortable yung room namin dahil umulan. As you can see naman, sobrang lakas ng ulan.
In the morning, we headed to the restaurant para mag-breakfast.
Habang hinihintay namin yung food namin, naglakad-lakad muna ako dito.
Kung nakikita nyo yung patwalk na yan naman yung papunta dun sa parking area nila.
Finally, our breakfast is served. Hot chocolate and silog lang talaga yung order namin, but they have complimentary food like turon. Ang hangin, sarap ng everything. Ito yung scenery.
After namin mag-breakfast, nagpahinga lang kami sa room and then we headed to Nagtabon Beach again para maligo. Wala masyadong tao ngayon kasi it's Monday and Monday ang day off namin. Medyo masama na naman ngayong panahon, pero it's okay, makakaligo ka pa rin naman. Pagbalik namin ng hotel, nagpahinga lang kami and we waited until 5 p.m. 2 p.m. kasi talaga dapat ang check-out namin, but we extended until 5 p.m. para makapagpahinga pa kami sa mga outdoor activities na ginawa namin. Time has come and naligpit na namin yung mga gamit namin. And we're going home. Habang inaasikaso nila yung pag-checkout namin, naabutan pa namin yung sunset. That's all for today. Samahan nyo kami ulit next time. Bye!